Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to use the period of a function to find the exact value of the trigonometric function. Let's begin. So we're going to start with the cosine of 405 degrees. What do we know about the period of cosine? Well, the period of cosine is 360 degrees. And so if we take 405 and subtract 360 degrees, we will get an angle that is coterminal to 405 and has the same cosine value. So we know that the cosine of 405 degrees is equal to the cosine of 405 degrees minus 360 times 1, which is equal to the cosine of 45 degrees. Now we're going to come over here to the unit circle. And I'm going to re-highlight this in blue. Here's the 45-degree angle. And since this is the unit circle, the x-coordinate is going to be the cosine value of 45 degrees. So the cosine of 405 degrees is equal to the square root of 2 divided by 2. Next example. The tangent of negative 450 degrees. Well, what is the period of tangent? The period of tangent is 180 degrees. So I want to add multiples of 180 degrees until I get an angle that's in the unit circle. So 180 times 1, that's 180, times 2 is 360. 180 times 3 is 540, and if I add 540 to negative 450, I will get an angle that is on the unit circle and coterminal to negative 450. So the tangent of negative 450 degrees is equal to the tangent of negative 450 degrees plus 180 times 3, which is equal to the tangent of negative 450 plus 540, which is going to equal 90 degrees. Oops. So I'm going to come over to the unit circle, and I'm going to find the 90-degree angle. So here's 90, and tangent is the y-coordinate divided by the x-coordinate. So the tangent of negative 450 degrees is equal to 1 divided by 0, which implies that the tangent of negative 450 degrees is undefined. Example number 3. The cosecant of 25 pi sixths. So what is the period of cosecant? Well, the period of cosecant is 2 pi, which can also be written using a denominator of 6 as 12 pi divided by 6. So I want to subtract multiples of 12 pi divided by 6 until we get an angle that's within 0 and 2 pi. So 12 pi divided by 6 times 1 is 12 pi sixths. 12 pi sixths times 2 is 24 pi sixths. And I think that will work. So the cosecant of 25 pi sixths is equal to the following. So it looks like the cosecant of 25 pi sixths is actually equal to the cosecant of pi sixths. And we can find the value of the cosecant of pi sixths using the unit circle. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so we're going to go to the 30-degree angle, or the pi sixth angle. We're going to find sine of pi sixths and take the reciprocal, and in this case that is going to be 2. So the cosecant of pi sixths is equal to 2, which means that the cosecant of 25 pi sixths is also equal to 2.